studying Knowledge Institute of Technology, BE Mechanical Engineering, and I was completed diploma in Tyagaraja Polytechnic Salem. The percentage 90%. Then I got placed at Caterpillar Private Limited, and I worked 2.3 years of experience in production line. Then I come to BE for a year.
So now you are in the third year?
Yes, sir.
Third year. Okay. How do you get this awareness about this competition?
Sir, in my seniors, they before year come for this event.
Seniors are already attended the first edition of national competition. Okay.
So the guys motivated us to participate this event. This is a designing competition, so you have to learn lot of things about the own product making, part interface matrix, and lot of things. And the trainers are also teaching more and more experience. So you can use this opportunity designs. So we will come to this.
Okay. Can you figure out any difference of learning than the other competitions? This reverse engineering.
Sir, reversion is totally different from other competition. Like I said, in every competition there only give you a problem to give solution also. This is to find out the issues, errors. Only do. If any error occurs, you can redo and check the problem and find out how it is coming. So this is I learned, sir. This is very
first
important.
You have to identify the problem.
Yes,
you have
sir.
to find the solution for
Yes,
that. You have to troubleshoot. Right?
Nobody can help us.
So it's like in the industry.
Yes, sir.
You have to work for that. You have to find the solution.
Yes,
you have to apply your mind and find the
Yes,
solution.
yes,
Right.
yes.
So, okay. Which domain you like the most? You have studied a number of domains in this reverse engineering. Not only designing, assembly, disassembly,
Yes,
bill of materials. Which one you like?
So in this part interface matrix, I like, sir.
You like that,
Yeah.
Which is challenging.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a big process also. It is interesting to find out the part interface matrix.
Part
Yes, sir.
is very good. So it is completely like the industry, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
Industry, okay.
yes, it's feel industry.
Industry
person.
feel you get
Yeah,
this.
yes, sir.
Okay. So will you recommend this course to your juniors?
Yes, sir.
So
Definitely.
you are motivated by your seniors, so you are going to motivate juniors also,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it is fulfilled for you?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Are you satisfied?
Satisfied.
You're satisfied. Good. Okay. So which CAD package you use for modeling and design? CAD package. Then which CAD software you use?
NXCAD, sir. Before I use CATIA.
Okay.
Now comes from this competition, NXCAD is used.
You got the opportunity to learn NXCAD
Yes,
also.
sir. It's totally learnable, sir.
Okay, very good.
153 videos.
Okay, you learned all this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Some of the things I cannot complete, sir, but almost 70% I will complete, sir.
Now you have got the confidence of
Yes,
using
yes,
the
sir.
software
Yes,
also.
sir, yes, sir.
This is another advantage of doing this course, right?
Yes,
You got the opportunity to learn another new software.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Any other general feedback can you say? Anything you want to share with us?
So no, sir. It's all good, sir.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Wish
you.
all the best.
Thank you.
Hi, Sai Prasanna.
Hi, sir.
I welcome you for the national competition of reverse engineering. Good. So first of all, I would like to appreciate your effort to join with us. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Sai Prasanna from Mathrusri Engineering College. It is located in Hyderabad. Actually, we came to know this reverse engineering project from my faculty, so that I am interested in practical knowledge, so I joined this.
Okay.
Actually, I thought this SAE for mechanical only, but after coming to here, I know it is will be all background people, all groups. It will be useful.
Your specialization is? You are triple E.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What motivates you to join this national competition to reverse engineering?
Actually, that is practical knowledge.
Okay.
Only in college we can learn from books, no sir. Here we
Yes.
can do something in practical
Very good. Okay. What's your ambition?
in
Your
future.
life? Yes.
Actually, I am preparing for GATE, sir,
Okay.
presently.
Good.
From GATE, if it permit good rank, I have to join to that company, sir.
Okay. So
Actually, I want to go to core companies.
Core
so that
industry.
yeah.
Okay. fine. Very good. What are the any other reason for joining this national competition? What are the outcomes you can say?
Actually,
by joining this course, these are the outcomes. The takeaway. Can you say with that?
by joining this, we can know that how that companies or industries will work. Actually, by reverse engineering, we can manufacture the products. How by taking one kit and doing that assembling sequences and assembly sequences, we can, by doing number of times, we can reduce the time. How to reduce the time to complete a product? Like this, these outcomes I learned.
How about the teamwork?
Yeah, teamwork is also important to do one thing. If only one member is active, means the whole things will not complete. All should be active to complete any work.
Okay. So you got the opportunity to work as a team, right?
Yes.
And individual contribution is much important.
Yes.
And leadership quality also
important.
you can really see these things, right? So this is the forum. You can understand not only technical, these life skills also important, right? Very good, very good. I'm so happy to have you, right? You guys are coming from Hyderabad, or from Hyderabad to participate in this course, and you are from military background, right? Are you interested with innovations and any? Are you interested with innovation projects?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What's the general feedback about this course, national competition?
Actually, it was good, sir. Teachers will monitor us, but they don't say how to do exactly what. But we should think and we should think. Actually, this is more to the student side, not faculty side. Some of the events will be like all they will say and we will listen. That this is not like that. Our participation is important in this.
So we let you students to explore, right? What are the possible solutions for the problem? You have to identify the exact problem. Figure out what exactly the problem. You have to troubleshoot all the issues, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Are you happy with the grades?
Actually, I didn't internships, but I didn't trainings, but I didn't satisfy that more, sir. Here it was good.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Sai Prathama, wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Karthika, I welcome you for the National Competition on Reverse Engineering. First of all, I would like to appreciate you to join with us. You are from Hyderabad, right? So, very good. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Karthika from Hyderabad, and I'm studying in Engineering College, third year, degree branch. And I wanted to join this program because I want to know what's going on, like how they can do projects on reverse engineering. I don't know what reverse engineering is, so I want to know that what it is. So after I joined here, I got some idea how we can make more progress in any material by taking it from end to the first.
Yes. In the reverse direction. Product to part and all, right?
In the reverse direction.
Okay.
So we can implement it in any other.
Yes. Any product development you can use this. Very good.
To know that I wanted to join this.
Okay.
Yes, I got up an idea.
What's your life fantasy?
Not to get a job in like IT companies, but I wanted to start
Your own startup?
no sir, like a
Core company?
core
Okay.
company.
You want to become an
with
engineer in the core industry, right?
Yes.
Very good, very good. So that you have chosen this course to learn what real engineering is, right? New product development. Are you passionate with the innovations?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So that is aligned with this course. So that I'm asking. How do you get this awareness about this national competition to engineering?
By our sir.
We were faculty advisor. Okay. Very good. Okay. What are the takeaways? Almost spending almost 6 months here in the national competitions, right? What is the takeaway you can say, sir? These are the things I learned by attending this course.
I learned how to present a project first thing.
Very good.
And how we can experience outside, like how the competition is going on, or the new things about some engineering. We can do this thing in this way also.
Yeah. To how to approach the problem, right?
Yes.
What are the possible ways of solution, what are the different solutions, how to troubleshoot the problem.
How to solve them.
Yeah, how to solve them. Which one is the efficient?
How it is useful to the
Consumer,
or
yes, 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 yes. So whatever the product we are developing is all for the customer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's
They're
it.
satisfied.
That should be
important.
satisfied. Then only the product will be marketable. There is no need for development. Fine. Very good understanding of the market trend and all. Okay, very good. So, what find you find any difficulty in this course? As you are from different domain, electrical and electronics engineering, do you feel any difficulty?
Difficulty means in modeling, in CAD
CAD modeling and all are completely new to you, right?
Yeah. We are new to that, so we learn.
But that can be easily learned.
But we
You have to spend some time. You have to spend some more time than others. Fine. Which one you felt? So this is very easy. I like this most.
like calculation.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Any other points you want to share with us? Any general feedback about this course?
Mental feedback. No sir, nothing. Like it's fun.
It's good.
And
Fulfilled with your
Yes.
okay, right? Okay. Will you recommend to your juniors
yes sir.
this course?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
They should also know.
No.
It's
Yeah. Okay. So do you have any other idea to join some other competitions of associate company?
yes sir. Just now I took a broker of EV vehicle.
Electric two-wheeler.
I tried to join.
Yes. Definitely. There also there is
We
a lot
find
of
a
scope for
team in
innovation.
college
Mhm.
to join.
Yes.
Remember?
Yeah, there's a lot of scope for innovation. There is a part for allocation of mark for the innovation part itself, right? So you can apply your mind. You can work as a team. That is much important, right? So that, how to interact with the fellows, friends, how to extract work from others, right? How to lead the team. Those all are skills. Right? That we can. Okay, thank you, Karthika. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Yes. Good evening, Kavin. Welcome you for this national competition of reverse engineering. So tell about yourself, Kavin.
So my name is Kavin. I am coming from Knowledge of Technology. My father name is S. Ravikumar. My mother name is Alpurgila. I am coming from Salem, sir.
Okay. You are studying third year or fourth year?
Sir, 30 years.
Your third year mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
What motivates you to join this course?
Sir, to design. Sir,
So you are interested with the design.
yes, sir.
அதனால நீங்கள் அது join
டிசைனில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தால் ஜாயின்
இது எப்படி தெரிய வந்துச்சு இப்படி ஒரு கோர்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்ட்டு எஸ்சிஐ இந்த கோர்ஸ் நடத்துகிறாங்க காம்படிஷன் இருக்குது அப்படின்ட்டு
சார் எஸ்சியில் நவீன்குமார் சார் வந்து
ஃபேக்கல்டி அட்வைசர்
ஃபேக்கல்டி அட்வைசர் சொன்னாங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து சரி டிசைன்னு சொன்னாலும் அப்புறம் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணி அப்புறம்
சரி என்ன விஷயங்கள் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க இந்த கோர்ஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணுறது?
சார் NLCRE யூஸ் பண்ண கற்றுக்கிட்டோம் சார். அப்புறம் சாலிடாக்ஸ் ஓரளவுக்கு கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். எல்லாமே ஃபுல்லாக கற்றுக்கிட்டோம் சார். அடுத்தது வந்து இப்போ வந்து ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இது இருக்குது, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்குன்னா அதை எப்படி டிஸ்அசம்பிள் பண்ணி அசம்பிள் பண்ணி டிஸ்அசம்பிள் பண்ணுறது, டைமிங்குள்ளே முடிக்கிறது, அப்புறம் வந்து அதோட கால்குலேஷன்ஸ் வால்யூம் கால்குலேஷன்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி போகுதுன்னு கற்றுக்கிட்டோம்.
எல்லாம் நீங்கள் கற்றுக்கிறீங்க,
நீங்கள்
நிறைய விஷயம் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க.
எஸ் சார்.
சரிங்க. நீங்கள் என்ன விஷயங்கள்லாம் எதிர்பார்த்து வந்தீங்க, அது இந்த விஷயங்கள் எல்லாமே கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்களா இல்லாட்டி நீங்கள் ஏதாவது கற்றுக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
இல்லை என்ன இது இப்போ டிசைன் கற்றுக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டாங்க, அதே மாதிரி இது பண்ணோம் சார். அப்புறம் வந்து நாங்கள் சீனியர்கிட்ட கேட்டதுக்கு வந்து அவங்க இதுதான் சொன்னாங்க, ஒரு பார்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க, அதை அசம்பிள் பண்ணி டிஸ்அசம்பிள் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுக்கான வெயிட் கால்குலேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டு இது பண்ணணும், ஃப்ரீ ஹேண்ட் ஸ்கெட்ச் யூஸ் பண்ணி போடணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அதே மாதிரி தான் சார் எதிர்பார்த்த அளவுக்கு தான் சார் இங்கே இருக்கும்.
சரி சரி. நீங்கள் இப்போ இவ்வளோ கற்றுக்கிறேன்றீங்க, இது உங்களோட லைஃப்க்கு எந்த விதத்தில் உதவியாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க?
சார் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 4th இயர்லேருந்து ஜாப் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ஆரம்பித்தோம் சார் எங்கள் காலேஜ். ஸோ அதனால் அப்புறம் அதில் எங்கள் ரெஸ்யூமில் போடும்போது நாங்கள் இதையே ஆட் பண்ணி போட்டோம்னா எங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஜாப் கொஞ்சம் டிசைனிங் இதில் ஃபீல்டில் கொஞ்சம் ஜாப் கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கும், ஜாப் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக கிடைக்கும்.
ஜாப் கிடைக்கிறது அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் டிசைன் நீங்கள் என்னெல்லாம் கற்றுக்கிறீங்க?
ஸோ அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் டிசைன் வந்து லேர்னிங், இப்போ வந்து ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அதை அசம்பிள் பண்ணி டிசைன் பண்ணுறது, அது வந்து ஒரு நிறைய லேர்னிங்
மீன்ஸ் இப்போ நான் வந்து அதிகமாக வெளியே வந்து தங்கந்தே இல்லை சார். இப்போ தான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் போன டைம் வந்து 1 வீக் வந்து தங்கி இது பண்ணது. அப்புறம் மறுபடியும் எப்படி
ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல எக்ஸ்போசர் கிடைக்குது இல்லையா? இப்படி ஒரு இடத்துல எப்படி ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போகிறது, மற்ற மக்களோட எப்படி இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறது, அந்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் நீங்கள் கற்றுக்குறீங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு மாரலாக உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் இருக்குது, உங்களால் ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியுது. ரைட், ஸோ தட் நீங்கள் எங்கே வேணாலும் ஒரு இடத்துக்கு தனியாக நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிட முடியும்,
ட்ராவல்
பண்ண முடியுங்கிற கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்குது இல்லைங்களா? சரிங்க சரிங்க. எப்படிங்க உங்களுக்கு டீம் ஒர்க் எப்படி இருக்குது?
டீம் ஒர்க் எங்கள் டீம் எல்லாமே என்னோடய க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான் சார். நாங்கள் பிளான் பண்ணி தான் நாங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு இது சேர்ந்தோமே.
ஸோ எப்படி பிளான் பண்ணணும், ஒர்க்கு எப்படி அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத கற்றுக்குறீங்க இல்லைங்களா? டைம் முடிக்கணும்னா எப்படி பிளான்
பண்ணணும். இப்போ டீம் ஒர்க்னால் வந்து இப்போ இத்தனை ஒர்க் இருக்குன்னா அதை ஆளாளவு ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ஒர்க்கு பிரித்து டக்குன்னு
டைம் லைனுக்குள்ளே வாங்கி அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் பண்ண முடியுது. சரி, நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஜூனியர்ஸ்க்கு இதை ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
சார் ரெக்கமெண்ட்
பண்ணுவீங்க. உங்களுக்கு அது அதில் திருப்தியாக இருக்குது கோர்ஸ்?
இந்த மாதிரி
டார்கெட் பண்ணது எல்லாமே
டார்கெட் பண்ணேன் நான். இந்த மாதிரி இப்போ லேர்ன் பண்ணேன், நீங்களும் இந்த மாதிரி லேர்ன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்.
சரி, வேறு ஏதாவது இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் உங்களால் சொல்ல முடியுமா? ஸோ இந்த கோர்ஸில் இது இப்படிலாம் இருந்தால் நல்லாயிருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? இல்லை, உங்களுக்கு
சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைடாக சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. தேங்க்யூ. Good evening, sorry. Good evening. Tell yourself.
My name is actually my name is Padari. I'm from I'm pursuing third year B Mechanical Engineering, Chennai Institute of Technology. I had 3 impactful internships in my careers. My first intern was this Uri Automotive Private Limited. In that company, they are manufacturing automotive components. That was my first intern. So I exposed how planning of assembly line and how they manage quality control, and also I know about CNC machines.
Okay.
And special purpose machines also I have learned from them. That was my grateful and understanding various aspects of industries.
Okay.
And my second intern was with Male Engine Components by India Private Limited. In that industry, I learned firstly they are manufacturing piston production. In that I learned how die casting machines are work. So pistons are one of the heart of engine. So they are using raw material of aluminum. Firstly, they manufacturing a die cast using of die casting machine. It gives a structure, and then and also I know from that intent I had a knowledge about CNC processing. First, CNC processing of how they finishing rough finish and semi-finish and total finishing surface.
Almost passionate with the manufacturing of components, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm interested with that. And you have the curiosity to learn and explore new things, right, in and around what is happening in the industry.
Yes.
Right. I hope that is the one which motivates you to join this competition also.
Yes,
right?
that's
so you got the intent to learn new things. So I hope you enjoyed this program also, this National Competition Reverse Engineering. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are right.
So it's aligns, right? Exactly. The way you explore the industries, your interest, completely aligned with the motto of this National Competition on Reverse Engineering.
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy you correctly joined this course and competition. Okay, good. So how do you get this awareness of this National Competition on Reverse Engineering?
So actually, my 3 periods I have to learn something newly. Okay. So it can develop my knowledge also.
Yes.
So I seeking for some other competitions and participations. I had a knowledge about this competition. So it's give some information and knowledge. So I get to this competition.
What are the new learnings in this course? Can you say a few words? So these are
New
the things
learnings.
I learned.
I doesn't know about benchmarking, but the word I mentioned and they used in the stops.
Mm-hmm.
So I heard that word from the
Okay.
stops you working
Okay.
on this.
Okay.
So that's I didn't know. My professor told benchmarking is one of the term of reverse engineering.
Mhm.
So it gave me a awareness about it. So I joined this reverse engineering competition, and also the very good competition and understanding of reverse engineering aspects.
Okay. Okay. So heard that word, but here you realize what the brainstorming is, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So, what's the general feedback about this competition?
It is good, and I had it is good, and also I all learned many things about from, and also made a friendship with other college students.
So you got the opportunity to interact with.
I interact with other students,
Yes.
and also I learned the procedure of reverse engineering, how to see a product from its function to last structure. So this gives and this competition and workshop gives student understanding, better understanding.
Understanding of the product development.
Product development as a theory of
Okay.
reverse engineering.
Okay, good. So, in your thought process, right, before joining this course and now, while looking at the product, is there any difference? Your thinking process, thought process, right, before joining this course, right now, you learned a lot.
Yes, sir.
Now you approach the problem. Is there any difference before this program and after this program?
Before program, I didn't know how. I had only understand they are making a 3D scanning and it is converted to CAD software and model and making various analysis, CFDs, FEA,
Now, how many surfaces are there?
analysis.
Yes,
Don't
yes,
touch.
yes.
Okay. This only steps to. This only steps to make a reverse engineering process. I had a knowledge before workshop. After workshop, I had
Inner
learned
surface?
how to see a product. To analyze from a basic of how engineer put a thought and make a product.
What is this
That's
surface
only I
area?
have
How
learned.
they develop this product, right?
So,
While looking at any product, you might have visualize how this product will be developed.
Yes.
Yes. Good, good. Okay. So, other than that, do you feel any difficulty while learning this reverse engineering?
No, sir.
No.
Draw a
No, I
rectangle
have
and
no difficulties.
round
First,
one
it may sometimes it make a difficulty, but after it keep on practicing and giving a good completion. So,
Okay, very good. Very good. What CAD package you used?
CAD
What is the
package.
height?
Today I have NXCAD knowledge and SolidWorks and CATIA.
So,
2D drafting for AutoCAD.
so right now you are expertise with the 4 different softwares.
No, sir. NXCAD and SolidWorks I had
18
expertise,
and then 46.
and CATIA I little bit and AutoCAD I know.
So,
Okay.
how
So
you
64,
plan
right?
to further
You
develop this
62. What is this surface?
reverse engineering knowledge in your career?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Reverse engineering knowledge in my career, it's a good thing.
See,
Everything I say,
right now,
yes,
you
sir.
have developed some kind of skill set, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
you have to use this skill set. You have to practice. Then only you can hone your skills, right? Otherwise, you might have forget everything.
Everything
right?
daily life I used it, sir. I want to make something about new AC in my house. So I just now I had a knowledge about how to see a product from its function to basic,
Okay.
basic to CAD. So I use this for my upcoming
You want to
projects.
develop your own product.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You want to apply.
I
What you are
want-
learning. You want to apply in your to develop your product.
Yes.
Very
This
good.
area, pi r
Okay,
square, we
good.
are not.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Even
Starving.
These
Thank you, sir.
Starving. I am from University College of Engineering. I am one of the champion of this national competition, reverse engineering. I welcome you for this competition. Shyamnath, can you introduce yourself now?
Myself, Shraman, sir,
Yes.
from Chennai Institute of Technology. I'm pursuing third year mechanical department
Okay.
at Chennai Institute of Technology. So, myself, in internship, I just go to TVS Sundaram in first year.
Okay.
I got internship and I also participate Maya 18 championship, SU
Oh,
India
great.
in first year itself. So.
Mm-hmm.
And then I also participate ATV Maya championship at Goa.
Mm-hmm.
So in second year, I participated competition at Grid 5.0 Flipkart.
Mm-hmm.
Flipkart project. I also attended that project.
Mm-hmm.
So in
What
the-
motivates you to join this national competition?
I like to see news,
Mm-hmm.
world news. So in that world news, the reverse engineering plays a vital role
Uh-huh.
in the war.
Okay.
So current situation is playing a vital role.
Mm-hmm.
So Iran and Russia are taking
Okay.
parts and making reverse engineering.
Okay.
For that reason, I need to know what is reverse engineering, how it's working.
Okay.
As per mechanical engineering, we should know that.
Yeah, definitely.
So while daily seeing the news,
Mm-hmm.
my eagerness will increase.
Okay.
So for that
So you got
reason,
that drive to
Yeah.
learn. Yeah. Great.
with
Okay.
reverse engineering, I saw the name and I applied.
Oh, great. Very good to hear these things, right? Okay, fine. Whether you learned?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are the outcomes? Can you tell me? So these are the things I learned in the last 6 months.
Like how to see a product
Mm-hmm.
and using of that product, how we can able to reverse engineering that product, using of that property.
So now, while any
Yeah.
product, while you see,
Yeah, we can able to like disassembly and
Uh-huh.
Do it in
do
home
it
or
assembly.
great.
tomorrow.
Very
You
good,
understand?
very good.
We can also change this in
Let us
new.
verify.
So your thought process should change. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Huh? When looking at any product,
Yeah.
you go to the from the scratch.
From the
huh?
scratch.
What would be the raw material they used? What would be the material? If you change the material, what will happen?
You have not done
If
exercise.
you change the design, what will happen?
Yeah,
How it
yes,
will look like, huh?
Tutorial is probably.
Okay. Good. Are you thinking of any startup and all, or you want to get a job?
Yeah, but
Open one by
not
one
right
and
now.
show
So
them
for
Not yet
financial
decided.
support,
Thumbnails.
for financial, we need to like make money.
Mm-hmm.
So after making money,
Okay.
like, after
Okay.
5 years.
But you got an idea of
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one,
yeah,
okay,
got an
next.
idea.
Okay. Okay. So need to innovate something, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, first one. First of
Do you
all,
think this competition will be useful for your career, for your future?
Yeah, sure, sir.
In what way?
assembly
In what way, like making a new company or startup
Okay.
also, I will use this.
11, 12.
This is a reverse engineering.
Reverse engineering, so that
Using of reverse engineering, I will make a new product. Like,
competitive product.
yeah,
right?
competitive product.
Yes.
So using of that,
Yes.
I can
So,
earn money.
if you have done
Yeah, that is different, right?
that is
Yeah.
partial.
Our focus must be in the innovation part.
Yeah,
right?
innovation.
Good. Is this the first one in the Society of Automotive Engineers Southern section, or did you attend any other competitions?
First,
before
sir.
that?
For
This is the
reverse
first one.
engineering first.
You might have attended that student convention.
Partially
Yeah.
in chapters.
You participated in the
Yeah,
event?
I didn't participate, sir. I organized the event.
You are the volunteers, right? You must be in the organizing
13,
team.
14.
Organizer.
What is the experience?
Auto quiz
Okay.
organization.
Auto quiz. Okay. What is the experience? Can you share it?
It was a new to like organize a event.
Mhm.
For the first time, I am just attending the event, but I didn't attend the
So
event.
hosting the event is
Hosting the
yeah.
event is a different way. So I saw many new sirs.
Hundreds of students, right?
Hundreds
It's a
of
big
students,
forum.
yeah.
Yeah.
They are other language also.
Yeah.
Many of them other language. I just what should I do?
Uh-huh.
They are
Send the
seeing
next
me as
person.
one professional. They are asking
Yeah.
me question. What should I tell?
Yeah.
Reply.
How to manage it.
How to manage.
Yeah.
Around 50 members are following me. way back
Yeah.
to taking to the
You have to
competition.
guide, yes.
Yeah, I thought, oh, all are calling me, what should I do?
So,
It is a new place, sir.
yeah.
MIT முடிச்சாச்சு.
It's the
ஈத்தம்ல
skill
ஒரே ஒரு
we have to develop, managing people. You are the responsible person.
Yeah.
You have to manage everybody.
All the people are
Following
following
you,
me.
right? You have to guide
Yeah.
properly. You have to answer whatever the questions they would have thrown. Good, very good, fine. So here, you might be in a team player,
Yeah.
right?
Team play.
What is the experience? You might have worked individually in different projects, but it's a teamwork, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What's your opinion?
My friend and me only like joined the competition. So, but in first day in workshop, we both are separated.
Uh-huh.
So after that also we just while going by train we will discuss what should go like that. But it's okay, sir. Our other teammates didn't come for workshop,
Okay.
so we just faced many like
Okay.
issues. So we
Okay.
got separated.
How
But
did you manage? Yeah.
yeah, but I get many friends from other college, MIT students.
Yeah.
So I just get close with them.
That is the great opportunity what we provide. This is the platform you can interact
Yes,
with different
yeah.
college students.
They
Can
also
get,
invite me for symposium also.
Yes,
I went to
super.
symposium.
Very good, very
MIT.
good. Very good, very
We are
good.
just very
You too
close.
invite
Yeah.
them, right? You can interact.
Yeah. I also invite them.
Yes, yes. So that like that, what are the industries they are attending, internships they are doing,
Yeah.
you get the opportunity to apply there also, right? Your career also can be developed. Like-minded students, you know, like-minded students from different forum. So that's the opportunity, right? Healthier competitive advantage.
The project also.
Okay. What are the difficulties you are facing
Chapter
while
15 you have not done anything.
competitions? Any difficulties?
Have you done the
Definitely it must be there.
assembly of the
See, you are from Chennai, you are saying that you travel.
not
The
limited.
people are coming from Kerala, Hyderabad.
But they are staying alone, sir.
Okay.
But I am like taking a train or from Coimbatore.
Okay, now இப்போ நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம்ல.
Okay.
Then
You know how many kilometers I'm traveling next year?
ஆ
750
ஓபன் பண்ணி
kilometers I'm
வந்து
traveling.
but it's okay for me.
வீடியோ
I just come to Dindivanam to my college daily
Okay. So,
in second year.
okay.
you know where
So I
the
just traveled one time.
Whatever the
source.
thing
Yeah.
you want to
source for
pursue,
video.
whatever the thing you
There is
desire,
you know
Yes.
you have to face it.
Yeah.
That would be difficult.
open there,
Yeah.
open
Right?
in your
You have to
laptop.
conquer
Without
that
difficult,
phase. You have to
yeah.
conquer that phase. That is a challenge,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. You won't get anything easy.
Mm.
If you want to achieve something, definitely there will be some difficulties.
Yeah, sure.
Right? You have to pass.
Definitely,
it.
yeah.
Good.
Have
good.
you done in CATIA?
So
these
happy
models?
to have interaction with you.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm also
So happy. You see all of this.
Okay, first to open the
Thank you.
video. YouTube.
So good evening, Jagan. I'm Starlin. I'm one of the champion of this national competition on reverse engineering. I'm working as an assistant professor at University College of Engineering. Right? Can you introduce yourself?
Good evening, sir. I'm Jagan. I'm from Salem, and I'm currently pursuing my third year in engineering at the Knowledge Institute of Technology, which is located in Kattapalayam, sir. And my mother name is Ravishwari, and my father name is Palaman. I'm a single parent child. My mother is working as a saleswoman in jewelry shop, and
What's your ambition?
so, I think ambitions, I don't have any, I think so. But ambition means to have a blue collar job, like we want to work based on without any tension and live a peaceful life. That's it.
So you want to apply
Which one?
your skill set and right?
This is student edition.
Okay. How did you get this awareness about this program?
So
How did you get
in
this?
my college, sir, like basically lot of SAE events going like drone challenge,
Okay, good.
go-kart, bicycling and something. So reverse engineering told that they told that by taking an existing product and we can disassemble or either add some new compound, new methodology or something.
Some kind of innovation.
Some innovation in a new product or an existing product, and combine it to make a new and better version of it.
Yes.
So I think so it's okay to go.
Okay.
So, and my teammate also recommended me to come join. So I just joined.
Okay, fine. Okay, after joining and almost 6 months, right? What are the learnings from this program?
Sir, learnings, I think how to solve a problem from start. If in a bicycle, like if a problem comes, we have to search from scratch to identify the problem, and either we can solve it or we can improve any part to make sure that that the problem will never come or will come most rarely. So and something like that, and learnings, problem solving, and how to identify the materials to design
so
something.
you got the knowledge about design, materials, manufacturing, everything, right? It's a complete package of engineering. Yes, normally if you attend any competition, there must be some kind of CAD design, some similar design competition, CAD competition, or some prototype development, but this is the one competition where you are going to see all kind of, all part of, all domain of engineering, mechanical engineering, right? Okay, fine. Did you face any difficulty while learning? Any difficulty or any domain difficulty?
Like calculating the surface area for a page.
That is completely new to you, right?
Yeah.
Which you can't see in any engineering subjects.
How many, like a paint, surfacing, paint area, that's totally new to me.
Yes. Okay. How do you see this program compared to your theory programs?
In theory, I think if theory start, I think I won't listen. Basically,
you won't apply your mind, right?
Because if I read it, I get an idea. So I basically, if they thought, I think so. But in here, I think the way of approaching and the way of listening. In starting, they show me a video about a company. So first I thought it's a regular, but in that company, they improve the products by doing some fun things. So it attracts me, and after that, oh, it's okay, it's going to be fun. And after that, competitions like taking, while learning, we also get something to experience, and get lot of new friends.
Yes, so you got the opportunity to interact with different college students,
different people and their contacts.
That's a good thing. So this is the platform you provide the students to interact with multilinguals, multicultural, different college students, right? So like-minded people will join hands, right? So that you can develop yourself, you can hone your skills. That's a good thing. What's the general feedback about this competition?
Like learning while doing something fun.
So this is the learning which is completely different from the classroom kind of learning. This is the learning used to say this experiential learning. Here you experience what you are doing, right? You apply your mind, you change, and see what will be the result by changing this parameter, what is going to change. So directly you can acquire the knowledge, and whatever the products we are providing here is the industrial products. What you see here is in the industry. What is the standard we set here is the standard set in the industry. So that directly you can experience what would be in the industry directly using the flow. Okay, good. Any other points you want to share with me about this in this competition?
I think so.
Any improvement points?
Yeah,
Improvement points means
view
the in design the difficult places like in assembly some some tools are difficult and the section, how to select the section in NLCRE.
In the modeling. So, NLCRE, you feel comfortable with it?
Yes.
Very comfortable. User friendly. Okay.
Compared with the SolidWorks and CATIA, the interface and the selection of tools are much easier to find, and so that's
okay. What's your thinking that
now
how do you
open the video for
make this to the next level?
here in your laptop.
It's already you almost spent 6 months, you learned something. What will be the next step? How you are going to progress in this?
so by taking some other after completed this, I'm going to I plan to design a V6 engine. Engine like
Great.
all parts in either SolidWorks or in this. So
you are going to whatever you learned, you want to apply.
yes,
Yes,
to
very
improve
good,
my
very good.
tool on something, and I also need to improve. I think the bill of material section is like a calculation only. I think it is very difficult for
much
me.
important, right?
So that parts also I need to improve.
Okay.
So I think that parts also. So I think I should take any pencil or something like that to apply. But in NLCRE it is easy to
Yes.
to
Directly
view.
we get all the
Directly we get all the details. But by doing hand calculation, it is difficult for me to
Okay.
explain. So I
Then
think
you must know. Yes.
yeah. So I need
Study.
to improve that also.
Good. Will you recommend this program to your junior?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you think it will be helpful for their career?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. So all the best. Bye.
Thank you.
Small letter.
Yes. Good evening, Ji.
Good evening, sir.
Tell about yourself.
Myself, GB. I am from Suliprayam. I studied third year BE Mechanical Engineering at KS Ramsan College of Technology. My mother name is Tangamal. My father name is Murugesan. I am a single parent. I have one elder sister.
Stop.
That's it.
Keep drawing. Next drawing will come
I'm
there. There, pass.
It's almost a third year completed, right?
Yes, sir.
You must have
Make it
something in your mind, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now see this drawing.
What kind of job you are looking?
Designing job.
So
see
you are
the
passionate
drawing,
with the design.
Yes.
Or,
This is the
do
component you have
you
made
learn
in
any
the
softwares,
next.
design
Yes,
softwares?
Go to
What the
your next
softwares you want to know?
SolidWorks, CATIA, Fusion 360.
Okay.
Ah,
Which
see
software
this
you
component.
used for this reverse engineering?
Go and see the
Mostly
drawing.
I used
You combine the
SolidWorks.
component of
SolidWorks.
this.
Okay. What about NLCRE modeling?
NLCRE வந்து யூஸ் NLCRE இந்த ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணப்போ வந்து எங்களுக்கு வேற ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் கேட்டையா ப்ரோக்ராம் போயிட்டு இருந்தது.
Okay.
ஸோ
college, academic.
அகாடமிக் காலேஜில். ஸோ
Okay.
காலையில் 8 o'clock வந்து நைட்டு 8 o'clock வரைக்கும் போகிறதுனால இதை பார்க்க முடியல.
Oh.
ஸோ இதுக்கு மேலே தான் ட்ரை பண்ணேன்.
Okay. Whether this course is useful?
What is the dimension?
This reverse engineering
yes, sir.
6 months course.
நியூ திங் லேர்ன் பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஐடியாஸ்
என்னெல்லாம் புதுசாக கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க?
ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இல்லை ஒரு காம்பனண்ட் எடுத்துகிட்டா அது எப்படி ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகுது, அதோட மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் என்ன, வால்யூம், டென்சிட்டிலாம் எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும்,
எல்லாம் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க.
டீட்டெயிலாக
Make it full screen.
ஓகே. இது உங்கள் கரியருக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
எஸ் சார், ஆஃப்கோர்ஸ்,
கண்டிப்பாக. ஓகே.
So
இப்போ ஒரு
you have
ப்ராடக்டை
come across
பார்க்குறீங்க
the bounding
அப்படின்னா
box dimension.
as a மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியர்
Suppose
எப்படி
if you
அது?
want to keep it in your box,
இப்போ
component.
இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டை பார்க்கணும்னா ஃபஸ்ட் அது என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகுது, அது என்ன மாதிரியான ஒர்க்கெல்லாம் பண்ணுதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். அதில் ஏதாவது சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ் இல்லை ட்ரபுள் ஏதாவது வந்தால் அது எப்படிலாம் சால்வ் பண்ணலாம்.
ஸோ ப்ராடக்ட் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா அதோட ஃபங்க்ஷனாலிட்டி பார்க்குறீங்க, என்னென்ன ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்குது, அதோட டியூரபிலிட்டி, அதோட காஸ்ட் எல்லாம் பார்ப்பீங்க. அதில் ஏதாவது இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு பார்ப்பீங்க.
அதில் ஏதாவது நியூவாக கொண்டுட்டு
புதுசாக ஏதாவது இனோவேஷன் பண்ண
innovate
முடியுமா,
முடியுமா,
பண்ணிவிட்டு அதை திரும்ப லான்ச் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு பார்க்குற அளவுக்கு நீங்கள் ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்து பெட்டர் திஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம். ஓகே.
ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒன்று பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
இந்த இந்த
இது ரிவர்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ரிவர்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங்க்கு வரும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு அப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணோம்.
சரிங்க.
பட் என்ன பேட்டர்ன் வாங்காமல் இருக்குது.
ஓஹோ, பேட்டர்ன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இன்னோவேஷன் இருக்குது
சார்.
ஓகே.
நைட் நேரத்தில் பைக்லேயோ இல்லை 4 wheeler ட்ராவல் பண்ணும்போது
சரி,
ஹை பீம் வந்து நமக்கு கண்ணுக்கு பூசாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கோசரம் அதை ஒரு சென்சார் வச்சு அதை ஆனோட் கேத்தோடலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஹை பீமாக லோ பீமாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி
யார் காரில்
சும்மா ஒரு ப்ரோட்டோடைப் மாதிரி
ஸோ சரி, நீங்கள் சொல்கிற பாயிண்ட் எனக்கு புரியுதுங்க. இப்போது நீங்கள் 4-வீலர் காரில் போயிட்டுருக்கீங்க, 8th ஒரு கார் வருது, அவங்க ஹை பீம் போட்டிருக்காங்க, அவங்க கண்ணு கூசுது. இப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன டிவைஸ் செஞ்சுருக்கீங்க?
ஆட்டோமேட்டிவ் ஹை பீம் டிடெக்டர்.
ஹை பீம் இருக்குதுன்னு டிடெக்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க, பண்ணி என்ன நடக்க போகுது?
ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் ஹை பீம் ஆப்போசிட்டில் வர வெஹிக்கிளில் வந்து ஹை பீம் வந்ததுன்னா நம்மளோட அந்த மிரரில் வந்து ஒரு சென்சார் வச்சுருப்போம்.
சென்சார் வச்சுருக்கீங்க,
அந்த சென்சாரில் சென்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நமக்கு ஆப்போசிட்லேருந்து இங்கிருந்து பார்க்கும்போது அது ஹை பீமாக இருந்தாலும் நமக்கு பார்க்கும்போது லோ பீம் மாதிரி தெரியும். விண்ட்ஷீல்டு மாதிரி நம்ம சன் கிளாஸ் போடுறது,
விண்ட்ஷீல்டு என்ன நடக்குது?
ஒரு கவர்டு வந்து கவர்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் மாதிரி.
சரிங்க, அது இலுமினேட் பண்ணுமா? அது ரெசிஸ்ட் பண்ணும்.
உள்ள வர ஹை பீமை வந்து லோ பீமை
குறைச்சி கொடுத்து,
அதாவது சன் கிளாஸ் மாதிரி. இப்போது அதிகமான இப்போ ரொம்ப வெயிலில் போகும்போது கண்ணு குடிச்சு தான் சன் கிளாஸ் பண்ணும்.
எஸ்,
அதே மாதிரி.
இப்போது 3M ப்ராடக்ட்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியுங்க. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்க்ரீன் போட்டுறாங்க, இப்போ ஏற்கனவே இதே மாதிரி இருக்குது,
பாலிமர் கோட்டிங்
ஒரு ஆமாம் ஒரு கோட்டிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கும் உங்களோட ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கும் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்?
அதுக்கும் அது
வந்து பெர்மனண்ட்டாகவே இருக்கும், உங்களோடது வந்து பெர்மனண்ட்டாகவே அது வந்து எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்கும். உங்களோடது ரெக்யர்மெண்ட் மட்டும் தானே. இப்போ ஹை பீம் எதிர்த்து அடித்தா மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு ரெசிஸ்ட் பண்ணும், மற்ற டைமில் நார்மல் கிளாஸாகவே அது பிஹேவ் பண்ணும்.
4 டைமென்ஷன் தானே அது.
நீங்கள் அதை பேட்டர்ன் பண்ணலான்னு முயற்சி பண்ணுறேன்.
நானும் என் டீம்மேட்ஸ் ஒரு 4 பேர் இருக்கோம். பட் ஐடியா வந்து என் டீம்மேட் கொடுத்தா சேர்ந்து பண்ணது கொலாபரேட்டாக பண்ணோம்.
சரிங்க.
பட் எங்கள் டீன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு சரி இதுக்கு பேட்டர்ன் பண்ணுங்கள்,
சரி
ஐடியா நல்லா இருக்கு, நீங்கள் பேட்டர்ன்
கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணிடலாமே, என்ன தயக்கம் அதில்.
பட் கூட யாரும் இப்போதைக்கு இல்லை, எல்லோரும் வேறு வேறு ப்ரோக்ராமில் இருக்கிறதுனால யாரும் ஒத்து வரல.
சரி,
நான் ரிவர்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங், பாதி பேர் பைசைக்கிள் வந்துட்டு வெஹிக்கல்
நல்ல விஷயங்கள் செஞ்சிடணும் இல்லையா?
கரெக்ட் தான் சார். பட் கூட
யாரும் சர்ச் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இதே மாதிரி இருக்குதான் சர்ச் பண்ணீங்களா?
நான் பண்ணல, என் டீம் கேப்டன்
பண்ணிட்டாங்க. சரிங்க,
இன்னும் அப்ளை மட்டும் பண்ணலை.
சரிங்க, ஓகே.
இப்போ நீங்கள் சொல்கிறது ஹைட்டுன்னா எதுலேருந்து எது வரைக்கும்?
இப்போ இந்த கோர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுங்களா? இந்த 6 months ரிவர்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் காம்படிஷன்
எதெல்லாம் கொடுத்தீங்க?
யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. இது உங்களுக்கு ஜூனியர்ஸ்க்கு நீங்கள் இதை
கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணுங்கள்.
நீங்கள் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுங்க, கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு கைட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஹெல்ப்னு போனாலும்
பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு நீங்கள் தயாராக
ரேடியஸில் பாதியாக கொடுக்குறீங்க.
ஃபைன். வேறு ஏதாவது உங்களோட ஜென்ரல் ஃபீட்பேக் இருக்குது?
ஆஃப் சர்க்கிள் தான். ரேடியஸ்னா
ஜென்ரல் ஃபீட்பேக்னா இப்போதைக்கு எதுவும் இல்லை சார்.
இல்லை,
நான் வந்து இங்கே கற்றுக்கிட்டது இது வரைக்கும் எதுவுமே இல்லை. டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ்னு வந்து பார்த்தா என்எக்ஸ் கேடு ஒன்று பார்க்க முடியல, கற்றுக்க முடியல, அது ஒன்று. அதே மாதிரி எங்களுக்கு அந்த ஒர்க் போயிட்டு இருந்தாலும் எங்கள் ப்ராஜெக்டாக டைமுக்கு வைக்க முடியல, அது மட்டும்தான் கொஞ்சம் அதிகம்.
பட் நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்த்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க, நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்த்தது கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க.
2D ஸ்கெட்சஸ் 3D ஸ்கெட்சஸ்
அதெல்லாம் கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க. வெரி குட், வெரி குட். ஓகே, குட், ஓகே.
தேங்க்ஸ் சார். தேங்க்ஸ்.
Star is coming. 60 champion of this national competition on reverse engineering. I welcome you for this competition.
160 is correct.
Personally, tell about
134.
I'm Vaishnavi from Maharashtra Engineering College, studying at PE third year, electrical branch.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now
I'm very good
go
at
to the
studies, sir, actually.
folder.
Very good. So happy to hear.
After coming here, I listened that Saruman said what about me, assemble and disassemble. I love parts to assemble very quickly.
Okay.
And I also assembled this Arctic radar, the model one, in just 12 minutes. Less than 11 minutes, I think so.
Okay. So good.
I love assembling the parts.
Okay. Open chapter 8.
Okay. So you belongs to Department of Electrical and Electronics.
Yes,
Why do you? How do you choose this competition? What motivates you to join this national
Open
competition?
tutorial 3.
As I told you before, I love things to assemble.
Assemble. Okay.
In mechanical engineering, as this belongs to mechanical engineering, as reverse engineering, there is a such thing called assembling. So I have interest in it. That's it.
So they joined. What are the takeaways by joining this course? What are the learning outcomes?
Have you done or have you
Probably
copied
I
the model?
learn most of the things. According to this, I keep it aside. By
From somebody.
But the lecture of Shanmugan
Or
sir
have
he
you
had
created
given
this?
for the past 6 days,
Yes.
I have learned many. His patience, his everything
Open chapter 9.
inspired me a lot, sir.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like he was like, do it by yourself. If
Yes.
it's correct or not,
Yes.
just do it.
Yes.
Later we can think is it right or is it wrong, then we can decide.
Okay.
So first you do it, don't go back,
Okay.
just move forward.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So now you got the confidence, right, to develop your
Where is
new
the
product and all. Okay. Good.
Okay.
What
the
phase you
next
feel?
folder.
So these are things I felt very difficult.
Go to chapter 9.
Can you say
Open
anything
it.
like that?
Make it larger. This
But
is only one assembly you have done,
when
right?
when I'm assembling all these parts,
Okay.
I had a
Now open
little
chapter
issue
10.
where the motor is running, but not the shaft is rotating. There I thought there is a problem between the motor and the shaft where rotating.
Open.
So it's the shaft is so hard to move. So there I
Okay, next
felt
folder.
little difficult, but later Shanmugan
So
said
that is
it's
the
okay.
experience,
Yeah.
right? These are all the experiences.
That's the only problem I felt
First
when I
folder.
was doing
This
experience.
assembly is
Okay,
not
good,
complete.
good. How do you see this 6 months course, course come competition
Sure.
on reverse
10,
engineering
okay,
compared with your
11.
regular classes, theory subjects and all? How do you see?
Open this
As I told
tutorial.
before, Shanmugan sir is very clear
Okay,
about
that's
this
okay.
experiment.
Yes.
My compared to my teachers
Open.
and all,
Chapter 12.
I'm in engineering from past 3 years,
Yeah.
from past 2.5 years.
Yes.
But in just 6 days itself, I changed my mind
Chapter
to
12.
another next level of my
Yes.
engineering.
Okay.
That's what that
Open
one.
chapter
And also I
13.
started learning new things how to
14,
how to
15,
convert
13.
in another way.
Mm.
But not, by not only doing in a one way,
project.
we can also
File
do it in
number 3.
several multiple ways. That one I learned. in all.
So I can see a lot of transformation in your thought process
Yes,
and
sir.
all, right? Okay. That is what I heard from number of students that so the way we look at the product itself
It's
changes,
different when compared to the other
Yeah.
from past 2.5 years. The view we see
Yes.
is different from now itself.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good, very good. So
Send the
that,
next
that is
one.
happening,
It's
right?
written there.
That's a great thing.
Yes, sir.
By joining one competition, our thought process is
It's
changing.
changed.
Right? A lot of new learnings. That's very happy to hear all those things from the students' point of view. Is there any improvement points you can share with me? So these are all the points we can improve so that the next batch of students.
Improvement.
Yes. Any feedback?
I think everything I have went through this in this session is almost good. Everything is good.
Good.
Everything is fine.
Will you recommend this course to this
sir.
competition to your junior?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes.
Because I want to know the juniors too. How can they change their mind by after joining this reverse engineering course?
Good. So happy, so happy. Good. Any other general
Bring your
feedback,
mouse.
Vaishnavi?
Everything is good.
Okay.
I'm very happy to join this reverse engineering course.
So this is the first competition you're attending for associate for Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Any other idea of joining in other competitions? So you are organizing number of programs.
Electrical vehicles,
Okay,
two-wheeler,
to
that
electric
one,
two-wheeler.
and embedded system. I want.
Suit you with.
Yes, I
yes.
wanted to join embedded system and also this
Definitely you
electrical
should
vehicle.
join. I strongly recommend you to join this embedded system. It will suit your
Thought process.
your ambitions and all, right? So you got this drive, you are passionate with assembly of components, that will suit you. That embedded system also the direct way of connecting people who are interested to learn connecting parts, right? IoT and all. What's your final year project? Do you have anything in your mind? Definitely, I hope you must apply whatever the learnings outcome of this competition. You apply in your project, right? Try to do some kind of innovation and apply for patents. Right? In that way, you can enrich your knowledge, right? So it must be coming with some fruitful conclusion, right? So we sow the seeds of innovation in your mind, right? You focus on that direction. You apply all whatever the learnings you are having right? You apply in any product improvements, apply for patents. Right? In that way, we can develop some kind of new products, some kind of startup companies. You might have own your company itself, right? If you have some innovation, you can think in that direction, right? Okay. I'm so happy to have you, Vaishnavi, in this competition. See all the best. Thank you.
Dinesh, I am currently pursuing third year mechanical engineering at Chennai Institute of Technology. My hometown is in Tirunelveli.
So you're from Tirunelveli. Which place in Tirunelveli?
Tirunelveli in Nagarkoil places there.
Nagarkoil in which place?
Like in Vijayanarayanam.
Vijayanarayanam. Is it at Nagarkoil?
Apart from
which
Nagarkoil,
kilometer?
like 14 to 13 kilometers distance is there. Like from Nagarkoil to Uvari going route.
Uvari?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So currently you are doing your UG degree at Chennai Institute of Technology.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Department of Mechanics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did you choose that college, Chennai Institute of Technology? From all the way from Kanyakumari to Chennai.
Well, at first I was searching for a good college there which compiles theoretical knowledge with practical experiences. When I visited the college, I was shown the multiple robots present there, and also the robotics happening there, and the research going over there. They made me to interact with the working staffs and deans at the college, so that fascinated me a lot.
Good. Okay. What's your ambition?
I want to be in automobile industry at some day.
Okay. You're fascinated with automobile industry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, what makes you to join this course and competition, national competition on reverse engineering?
Well, I found it very interesting to know about reverse engineering.
Okay.
And to know how a component is made from starting. I wanted to know more about it. Like usually, whenever in a childhood given a toy, usually you used to separate it and see.
Okay, so you're most passionate with assembly and disassembly and all. You want to explore all those things. Great, good to hear. Okay, which CAD package you used for this competition?
NXCAD.
NXCAD. Okay. Are you comfortable with NXCAD?
Yes.
Are you expertise with the software now?
Not completely expertise, I would say, but still I am working on it.
Okay. Good. Did you feel any difficulty while doing all those stuff in reverse engineering? Any phase?
At first, calculating the mass and density using the vernier caliper and very precise geometry. That for the first 2-3 particles, it was components. It was difficult, but then it just grow.
What's the learning outcome of this course?
Learning outcome, apart from assembly and disassembly, there are many multiple things that comes under play with reverse engineering components. So that's what I learned, like materials and what are the functionalities, how to improve and do it in a different way, which improves the functionalities of this any component.
Will you recommend this to your juniors?
Yeah, sure.
Are you happy with this competition?
Yes, I'm happy.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you. See you all the best.
So you're from Hyderabad. Okay. So the same team, I think, right? That is okay. Tell about yourself briefly.
So actually, my name is Shimar. I'm from Gitam College. Gitam. Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. And I'm currently in mechanical engineering. My hobbies are browsing internet, reading mangas and all.
So what makes you to join this national competition on reverse engineering?
So actually it was a fluke. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, engineering was my passionate subject.
Very good.
So that's why for Shiva is somewhat close to me. So he approached me and told me this is an reverse engineering. There is a workshop on reverse engineering, so you should join this. So actually first I didn't want to join for means for some exams and all. Okay. So for first batch I didn't came, and for second batch also I didn't came. For then for third batch, so this is the last time if you want to do, then you can. Then I joined reverse engineering. So after here came in, I means I got interested in reverse engineering. Means the way I look what is engineering in here, the whole reverse engineering is totally different. And from that I can understand. I got it from today. We have to look in reverse direction and what means that is reverse engineering.
So the way we are looking at the product is different right now. Am I right? Yeah? Good. Super, super, super. So what are the learnings of this reverse engineering after joining this course? So what is the outcome you feel?
So outcome is by reverse engineering some any product or any substance, we have like example you can take bike. By reverse engineering we can tell what that bike really is and how it is functioning, and malfunctioning is where it means if it is malfunction, then how can we discover what it means where it is malfunctioning and how we can rectify that malfunctioning in that device and all.
So this is the one competition where you are going to study the design, materials, right, assembly, right, and then
easy software to learn.
oh,
Means by seeing the videos we can grasp what it is going on.
so you can independently learn
Independently
by seeing the videos itself.
But compared to that, SolidWorks and Fusion 365 are dominating, but it is hard to learn.
Oh,
So before learning those tools,
softwares,
so we can learn this and grasp idea what it can take and how we can even how the viewing and by learning this we can expect the next we can expect the person to grasp those videos also perfectly.
okay. So so in this reverse engineering, can you figure out this domain that you most? Which part you like the most in this reverse engineering? You studied a lot about this, right?
Yes. So actually, disassembly is the most interesting thing, because while disassembling, if we miss any component or anything, then the disassembly process will be not justified. Means assembling we can do by jugaad and all this thing, and by separating means adding another nut. But disassembling, if we miss any one component, single component, where it has been missed, then we have to detect it. Will be very hectic.
This is the only course you are going to think about the disassembly, right? So in any other domain, we always used to see part modeling, assembly, and all. This is the one competition which are thinking in that direction. You have to work on disassembly also. So, what is the positive thing you feel by learning this reverse engineering and competing in this national competition? What is the positive thing you feel? So this one changed my life. This one I think will help my life in future. Can you say a few words about that? I got this confidence in this area. I got this confidence. I hope definitely this will get me in the future.
So actually, this NLCRE and all this designing analysis and material part interface matrix and all these things, it will be helpful for my not in I'm driving to something and my car or bike broke down. Then this kind of information can be helpful for that practical knowledge.
So from your word, what I can understand, this is a complete engineering package, am I right?
Yes,
yeah, complete
it is
engineering.
totally based on practical.
Complete,
It's
yeah.
not at all meant for by hacking and all this things.
Yeah.
We have to very briefly we have to do by our own skills. We have to improve in this category with our own skills, without any other help.
Okay. So what we say is as here, practicing engineers, right? You apply your mind, you practice. practice, right? Physically, you apply your mind and work on that. So you develop your skill set by practice. Instead of theoretical, what we used to study in our college, this is completely different way of learning. Okay. So this is the strength of this society of automobile engineers. What we do, we make our students to work on their own. We ask the students to complete by giving the training and make the students to practice experiential learning. Right? We give you the forum to experience what is the real expectation in the industry. Very good. So we are so happy to have you in this conference. Right? We see all the best. Thank you.
I'm from Chennai, so I'm to the same area.
This is the interior student of mechanics, right? Yeah. What's your life ambition?
I am ambition to become a design engineer.
You are passionate about design. Very good. How do you get this awareness about this national competition?
It's obviously drives to
okay. You are seeing right?
different competitions like this more competitions like competing in SAEINDIA.
Okay.
So in that in my person I want to become
a few outcomes of this program.
Sir, came to the conclusion that about the full study of a part or a material which can be disassembled and study about the inner material parts and reduce the weight or density, volume, and we can replace it by its by more efficiency.
Okay. Good. Will you recommend this course for you?
Yes,
mass property.
Are you satisfied with the?
Yes, sir. Yes, more satisfied.
In the mass property calculation, there is
any general
bounding box
feedback about
dimension.
this national competition?
That is bounding box dimension.
Feedback is they are giving correct information about also on time to time what are the next actions going to take place.
Okay.
So it's more efficient.
Okay. Okay. So as you are so passionate about CAD design softwares, what are the softwares you already know?
So I know about NLCRE, SolidWorks, Creo, and GetX.
Which software you use for this competition?
I prefer SolidWorks or NLCRE.
NLCRE. Okay. Any pitfall? Do you find any difficulty in learning this reverse engineering?
Difficulty is not as much, sir. At least slightly from some calculations part.
Okay. That's
a
otherwise easy.
Yes.
So, what's your next way of taking this course? So today we are going to complete this course. After completing this,
sir, I want to do any project in this field, sir.
Okay.
So it will be more helpful for my future.
So you got the confidence to carry
yes, sir. I had got some ideas about it.
Okay.
So I will search some projects about it. So I will work on it.
Okay. So as you are in the third year, yes, in the final project also, this will be helpful.
Yes, this will be more.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's all the best. Thank you. Yes, good evening, Sayuris. I welcome you for this national competition on reverse engineering. Can you introduce yourself?
Sir, my name is Sridhar.
Yes.
I am studying in Hitam College, BTech 4th year in Mechanical Engineering, and my hometown is in Kerala, and I am staying in Hyderabad due to my father's job. So whole family is staying from past 10 years in Hyderabad.
So you are a native of Kerala, studying in Hyderabad, and you are right now at Chennai. Okay, very good. So happy to hear all those things. So I really appreciate your effort, right, to take up this challenge and competing. Very good. What motivates you to join this course?
I felt like it will be something interesting other than tech. So I took up this reverse engineering, what it will be for gaining knowledge.
Okay, so you are in the final year. What's your
Final
ambition,
year.
Sri Ganesh?
Ambition till now not decided.
Not yet decided. What next? Okay.
Next looking for a
Job. So you are so much passionate about getting a core industry job, right? So do you think this course will be helpful for you to get the job?
It is helpful.
Yes. Okay.
I have done a small project also, reverse engineering. Sir has given us.
Oh, great, great. Very good, very good. So this course and this competition helps you to do the project for your final year.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Okay, good.
Like mini project.
Mini project you have done. Okay, good. So what are the takeaways by doing this 6 months course and competition? Sir, I have learned all those things all because of this reverse engineering. Can you figure out something like that?
Sir, did you understand?
By doing this course, sir, I have learned all these things by doing this course. Can you say a few words?
What I learned in this reverse engineering?
Courses?
Sir, I have learned assembling the product, assembling tree, disassembling, part interface matrix, then fits and selections.
Yeah.
124. Is the component wrong or drawing
Empathy, science effects.
So my drawing here is smaller than
So the GD&T, fits and part interference matrix, all those things are not, you may not study in your theory classes, right? These are all, but this is the practice, the practice in the industry. So you got the opportunity what the industrial practice is, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good, very happy to hear. Okay. So will you recommend this course to your juniors, Ganesh?
Yes, sir, I recommend it.
You will recommend.
Nice knowledge.
Great, great. So, while you join this course, you might have think, right? These are all the skill sets you are going to obtain. Are you all those things you learned? Are you fulfilled with this?
I have learned everything, sir.
Whatever your expectation is fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You are happy with the course, how it went.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, fine. Any difficulty while learning? So these are all the phases I feel very difficult to learn.
Now what is the...
There's a main difficulty, but I overcome it. I have learned it, how to get it.
Yeah. So you found some difficulty and you learned everything.
Yes, sir.
Right?
I have found it.
Very good. So right now, confidence. If you come across any problem, you can solve that.
Yes, sir, I can solve.
You got that confidence, right? By doing this 6 months
Starting it was a problem.
Yeah. So now it is you are confident enough to solve the industry.
Yes, sir.
Right? Very good.
Yeah, I have done 3 projects also. This means sir said to do it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
3 projects I did.
Okay. So now you have the confidence. So that will be helpful for you to crack any interviews also.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So for any interviews also, right now you are having some kind of confidence.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Okay, Ganesh, it's all this. Thank you.
Okay, find out where is the problem.